Hi guys, this is Robocan, and today I'm reviewing something again. Now, remember in my last video, the video before the last video, One More Sleep to Christmas. Remember when I said I was a nerd at Doctor Who? Well, I'll show you how much nerdy I am. I got this today. In fact, I've only just came back. Alright, I'll just show you normally. This big baby, the 10th and 9th Doctor's Sonic. Now, you can lift it. Go do it far away, guys. Right, so you can better see it. Look. You can put it up and down. Has the clicking. Okay, and it does do the regular sounds. The only one downside with it is when you go like this, it's in the middle, see guys? You can't do it in the middle. But when you're up here, still can't do it. So that's why this button's been included. This is my favourite sound effect. And thank you for watching, guys. This was no vlog, it was a review on my 10th Doctor's Sonic screwdriver. I prefer it in. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye.